In this problem, Ethan and Tariq want to estimate the area of the field that their team will use for soccer practice. They know that the field is rectangular and they have paced off the width of the field as shown. They use the fence post at the corners of the field to estimate that the angle between the length of the field and the diagonal is about 40 degrees. If they assume that each of their steps is about 18 inches, what's the area of the practice field in square feet? And they need us to round it to the nearest foot. Please stop the video now, come up with your answer, and come on back. Alright, let's see. So, what's the number they have here? The number of steps it looks like they took is 280 steps. And I'm going to use what I've referred to as stoichiometry. Let's see, there is, in this problem, 18 inches in one step. And the whole thing is in feet, so there are 12 inches in 1 foot. This is 1, this is 1. I'm just multiplying this by 1, and it looks like I've set it up right because I can cancel steps and steps. Beautiful. So my answer here is going to come out in the only units left, and that is feet, and I'm going to get an answer 420 feet. In other words, this part of the picture is 420 feet, and so this length must be 420 feet. I mention that now because the next thing I'm going to do is a little trigonometry. Let's see. I need this length here of this triangle, and I have this length, so I'm interested. I have the opposite. I need the adjacent from the 40. I don't care about the hypotenuse, so I don't need a trig formula that involves the hypotenuse. And so the only one that doesn't involve the hypotenuse, tangent of 40 degrees, is going to be equal to the opposite of the 40 degrees, which is 420, over the adjacent, which I'll just call x for now, and put in here as x. When I cross multiply my tangent of 40 times x and divide by 420, I'm going to get x is equal to 553. So in other words, if this is 553 here, that's going to be my length times my width, which is 420, which is going to get me an area. Let's see, what is the area in square feet? So feet times feet is going to get me feet squared. 210,222.6, or rounded to the nearest. That's going to get me 2,223 feet squared.